Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your HP laptop. In our case we have the 2000 model HP. So I'm going to connect, I'm going to be clicking F9, but I'm going to be using this wireless keyboard because I have my keyboard keys not working. So when you reach the boot menu, we don't have any options for booting to USB. So I'm going to click F10 on the keyboard. Then when you reach here, you have to click the right arrow keys to navigate to the system configurations. Then you down click and go to this option, click enter. When you reach here, you have to look at these two options: legacy support, boot support, then secure boot. Then you have to enable this. Then when you enable it, it will automatically disable this. Then I'm going to click F10, enter, then I'll rapidly click on F9 so that we go to the boot menu. So in my case, on this piece, I have issues with the system password, the system battery. It goes off, so it resets the changes, but I'm going to go back again and do system configurations. I'll go to boot options and see this. I disable this, then I enable this, enable, enter, then I'll go and click F10, save changes, F9 rapidly as the computer reboots. So in our case, we have the USB boot options enabled and we have the USB H hard drive. Then I'm going to go and click the down arrow key, enter, then to ask me to click any key so that the Windows files can start downloading from the USB drive. And this is how you can quickly enable USB boot options on your HP laptops, and this would work on other versions of these laptops. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, comment, like, and what you can see right now is the system is loading files from the USB, and I will stop on the process where we see this blue screen. Is it blue? Purple? So when you reach this point, you can watch my other videos on how to install Windows 8.1, Windows 10. So this is how you do it, and I'm going to stop from here. Have a nice time. Goodbye.